Insert. First time.
Is it on?
Yes. So get a little closer look. Turn on the front. For me, please.
Oh my god.
Isn't this so special?
Oh my god. So I'm just checking this out for the first time to see the print quality. Okay, let me go inside. Hold it up, mommy. Okay. Okay. Guys, I am just like looking. I'm just like, it's finally in my hands.
Instead of on
Everything
Amazon.
looks good inside. It looks good inside. It looks the way I wanted it to look. Just let me hold it up.
Mommy, your face is on the back. Look on the back. Look on the back, Mommy.
Oh. Yes, so I'm holding a copy of mine. I can't even express in words how I'm supposed to express in words right now. But this is it, you guys. This is it. By me, you see that? Me. Wow, 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 wow. Mm-mm-mm. Jeez, oh my god, this is finally here. It is real. It is happening. It is real. It is just the way I want it to be an easy read. The examples, tips. Let me see how many pages. Oh, they did not put this in black and white. How could they possibly put this picture in black and white and not in color? Are they serious right now? Like, they didn't think that we wanted this page in color. Come on, Amazon. Come on. Okay? You will not print another copy like this. What's Middletown? Middletown, Delaware. Seriously. Okay. Oh, so that's where the printer is? There's 2 extra pages in the back. Sweet. Okay.